Hi guys, today I will explain how to use Google Sheet. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open the Google Chrome or if you have any other browser then open that and then sign in your Google account. As you can see I already signed in my Google account. If you take a look on the right top here you can see my account is signed in. Because without signing in you cannot use Google Sheet. After signing in just next to it you will see dots, click on it. If I scroll down, here you can see the option of Sheet. If I tap on it, then I will be redirected to the Google Sheet. But maybe this will not be available on your browser. So what you have to do, scroll up and open the Google Drive. Once the drive will be open, take a look on the left top. Here you can see the option New. Just click on it and here is the option Google Sheet. Click on it. Now the Google Sheet has been opened. Before going any further, let me close this one. Now let's explore the Google Sheet. Take a look on the left top. Here you will see a line. This line is called the toolbar of Google Sheet. And below to it, this one is the formula bar. And one of the best thing about Google Sheet is it will save your data automatically. Let me write something. And here you can see it's saving and it's saved to drive. As I told you, it will save all of your data. Now, time to explore the toolbar of Google Sheet. The first one is File. If I tap on it, with the help of File, you can create new sheet. And also you can open documents from your computer or from your drive. So if I tap on the option Open, here is the recent sheets of mine. And this one is my drive. And if I tap on this computer, then my computer will be open and I can import my data from my computer. But currently I don't have any Excel sheet. But if you have, then you can import from your computer. Now time to explore the next feature. This one is make a copy. You can also make a copy by tapping on it. And this one is share. You can share it. There are a lot of many things and you can explore all these by yourself. Let's explore the next one. The next one is edit. With the help of edit, you can undo something or redo something. Maybe you made a mistake. Then you can tap on it and that mistake will be gone. And also the shortcut key of this one is Ctrl plus Z. Let's explore the next feature, view. With the help of this, you can freeze rows and column. And also you can comment on something. Another one is insert. With the help of this insert, you can insert cells and shift right. And also you can insert some columns and rows and sheet and many other things like chart, image and drawing. And this one is format. Another one is data. With the help of data, you can create a filter and many more things. This one is toolbar and this one is extension and this one is the help. You can also do a training. And below to toolbar, this one is the formula bar. What you can do from the formula bar. With the help of formula bar, you can increase the font size and also choose different font. If I tap on it, and you can see here is the font list which are available in Google Sheet. If I select a specific font, then that will be applied in my Google Sheet. And this one is for making your text bold and this one is for italic and this one is the text color. If I tap on it, I can change the color. You can explore all these things by yourself because there are too many and the time is a bit short. Now time to use Google Sheet. I will write something like I will write 1, 2. Now how can you solve it with the help of Google Sheet? Just do a random click on any other cell and now enter the equal sign. Now click on this one. Now as you can see this one is added. Like I want to add this, so now I will enter plus and now I will click on another one. And now time to hit enter. As you can see, the answer is 3, which is correct. If you take a look, this one is the history. If I click on it, and you can see my Google history will be open. Let's go back from here. This option is useful for comments. Like you share this file with your friend, then he can comment on this. And this one is for video call. You can do a live video call with your friends and this will work like a whiteboard. Means you can solve all the problems online. And once you think your sheet has been ready, and now time to share it. Click on this option share. This option is due to I did not write the name for my sheet. So that's why this option is enabled. Let's write a name and now tap on the option save. You can also share this file by writing the email address of your friend. But if you do not know the exact email address, then click on this option and select this one, anyone with the link, and then click on the option copy. Then you can share this link through WhatsApp, through Facebook, and through other social media. Google Sheet is a useful thing and it has a lot of feature. And I think after watching my video, you will know about the Google Sheet.